You know, quick. Back rotor replacement and brakes. It's about that time. It's gonna be a fast video, man. I just changed the shocks in that yesterday, and now I'm gonna change the brakes and rotors. So tune in.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday. I'm rocking her mix.
All right, so here you go. You know, truck, and as you can see, those rotors are not so good. The brakes right here are already down to the wire. See that? So I'm replacing those. We replaced these yesterday. You know, stabilizer links. Everything looking good. It's driving way better. So I got a little bit of free time. You know, get these done. All right, you know, I owe one Ford. So get this done. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so we're gonna do one side. I'm not gonna show you both, it's not that hard when it comes down to both. See, this is what I'm doing. You check stuff like this. This is your emergency brake cables. These are horrible right now. I don't know what happened here, but these definitely have to get replaced. I don't have any problems with my brakes, but you never know. Alright, so as you can see, look, rotor's already down to the end. Thank God brake is down to the end. I'm changing the rotors and the brakes at this point. It's pretty simple though, you know. It's got a 10 maybe, and then we have I see a 10. I don't even see the other brackets or hold the rotor. We're gonna figure it out when we get to it. All right. You wanna open up the hood? Oh man, it's hot outside, y'all. Definitely hot outside. Letting the piston go in nice and slow. The last problem we want is the piston not closing later on. And boom. Oh, it comes with the brakes in it. Alright.
Yeah, bad brake fluid.
Oh,
yeah.
It's real easy. Me either?
Yeah.
Easy. Oh yeah, I like these.
Oh, that one is good.
Yeah, it's easy as fuck. Wow.
That's more easy. You find it how you like.
Yeah, that's the easiest replacement right there ever, man. I ain't gonna front.
Yeah, some got it like that, so no.
Nah, I like that. That's what's up. That's what's up. Perfect.
How's the brake? Make it some brake. Let me see.
I wanna check it out. It don't matter, we're not doing this today, but bro, you can check it out. Brand new. Yeah, but look, the wires is fucked.
Yeah, that's it.
Whatever.
Maybe
Until it breaks. You got brake cleaner or no? No matter. These are a little different. Oh, check the brakes in the trunk.
over here?
Yeah, in the trunk. Wow, look at that. That's something new. I never saw that one before. Definitely never saw that. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all. That was a pretty ass replacement, man. Simple and easy. So look, I guess the clips, they go into the caliber. So they hold each side and then you drop it in. That's beautiful. I ain't gonna front. That's a great design. I honestly never seen that. And I had it the whole time on my truck. But yeah, man, look, brand new rotors, new brakes. We done in the box. Yeah. Boom. Let's see. Oh yeah, and they come with it. That's perfect. That is perfect. Beautiful. That's easy. Just want to get these last videos right here, man. Nice clean brakes, putting these on, sliding these on. Very simple. There you go, y'all. Finished product. Only thing I would say is you have to match these up the right way, because if you don't, you're gonna put the wrong brake on the wrong side. That's what I did. But finish. Now the other side is done. What I wanted to show you guys was crazy. It was just that. So after I just changed the links, right? I changed the shock absorber, and on the other side, I didn't see any one of these, but this right here is all broken. So this one definitely has to get changed. It's all rusted out. It has to be the original one. It seems easy, but I possibly need to support this this rear differential and then change these things. But every time you do something, you always find some more work to do. So, and I honestly need the back shackles back here. They are seized onto the leaf spring, so I'm gonna get the leaf spring bushing, and I'm gonna get this bushing. Do that at the same time, and then my rear end is done finally. I thought it was done after this, but I mean that's it, guys. Pretty much all complete. See you in the next one.